Top 5 Best GoPro Gimbals. Number 5. Freevision Vilta-G 2-in-1 Gimbal. The Freevision Vilta-G is a handheld or wearable 3-axis GoPro gimbal. It's comfortable, well-built, and easy to mount with a handheld battery life of 7 hours. If you want to use it as a wearable gimbal, you just press the push button to release it from the grip. Unfortunately, this makes it quite tall, and the 350 mAh battery only lasts 1.2 hours. You can use it with any GoPro model up to the Hero 7, but you need to use the frame housing for the Hero 3 and Hero 4 models. In theory, you connect the device to your camera using the app from the Freevision website, but it was all in Chinese when I tried. Coming in number 4. MOZA Mini-P Max. The MOZA Mini-P Max is a lightweight, handheld, 3-axis GoPro gimbal that supports GoPros, smartphones, and mirrorless cameras. And it has a heavy payload of 2.2 pounds. The aluminum and plastic body is sturdy enough, and the 20-hour battery life is best in class. It also has many other features, including a 3-axis lock system, a foldable design, tripod attachment, and various shooting modes. The only compatible action cameras are the GoPro Hero 7, DJI Osmo Action, and Sony RX02. But you'll need to buy a sports camera clip for the Sony. There are also compatibility issues with the mirrorless cameras. The shutter, record, and autofocus functions work with some Sony and Fuji cameras. But record doesn't work with Canon models. And you need a separate cable for Canon and Fuji cameras. You connect the device to your camera using the MOZA Genie app. Coming in number 3. Zhiyun Crane M3. The Zhiyun Crane M3 is an expensive, professional-quality, handheld 3-axis GoPro gimbal that supports smartphones, mirrorless cameras, and GoPros up to 1.58 pounds. The only problem with using it for your GoPro is that you need to buy an adapter and you get limited functionality. However, the white, black, and red design looks good and the build quality and stabilization are excellent. Other features include a 1.22 inches color touchscreen, 8-hour battery life, and a built-in 800 lumen LED light with dual color temperatures and variable brightness. It works with all GoPro Hero models from 5 to 10, plus several mirrorless cameras from manufacturers such as Sony, Fujifilm, and Canon. Although, USB controls don't always work, and you may need to buy a $25 Bluetooth add-on to unlock the controls on the handle. It also works with smartphones, but it can be difficult to balance them. Coming in number 2. FeiyuTech G6 Max. The FeiyuTech G6 Max is a 3-axis GoPro gimbal with adapters that let you mount DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, smartphones, and action cameras. It has a heavy payload of 2.6 pounds. And the IPX4 level dustproof and splashproof aerospace aluminum alloy and silicone construction promises excellent durability. It also boasts plenty of features, including an OLED screen, several shooting modes, a 3-axis lock, 9-hour battery life, reverse charging, and a quick-release plate for quick installation. You can connect the G6 Max to your camera by cable or Wi-Fi. You can always use the FeiyuOne smartphone app, but the grip lets you control most operations with one hand, including shooting and mode selection. Coming in number 1. Homei Steady Pro 4. The Homei Steady Pro 4 is a popular budget, handheld, 3-axis GoPro gimbal that supports the latest GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 10 models and has a payload of 5.3 ounces. The build quality is not very rugged, and it feels a little plasticky in your hand. However, it has plenty of features, including various shooting modes, a 600-degree panning range, a splashproof design, 14-hour battery life, a small tripod, and a quick-release clip for one-step mounting. It works with all GoPro models apart from the GoPro 7 white and silver versions. It can also be used with other action cameras, including the DJI Osmo Action, E4K, E4K Plus, SJCM, Insta361R, and Sony RX0. There's a mini USB port on the head to let you charge your camera during use. However, the quick-release clip is fixed, which means you can't swap it for a smartphone mount.